Our name, Felins, came from the founder of our company in 1921, Fred E. Linz. Our technologies include products we manufacture along with our partner companies. We offer solutions from ultrasonic seal banding to double slip knot tying. Our vast number of unique solutions allows us to serve a variety of industries.
When it comes to the materials that we offer, we work really hard to make sure that we have sustainable alternatives. We have materials that can be recycled. We have materials that have recycled content in them. We have FSC certified materials and even materials that are compostable.
Felins is unique because we are a one-stop shop. We provide equipment, materials, parts, training, and services.
The energy at Felins is contagious. Everyone believes in what we do and that our company can make a significant impact, not only for our customers, but for the planet as well.
We believe in our team, we believe in our products, and we believe in our ability to provide the best sustainable solution for our customers. The best part about that, we have a lot of fun doing it.
One thing that's unique about Felins is that we care. We care deeply about our employees, we care about our environment, we care about our customers, and we care about our suppliers. Care is at the core of all we do.
I have a lot of relationships with customers that we talk about our children, we talk about pack tire parts, we talk about getting married, talk about when we did get married, we talk about their kids getting married. Being here for 17 years, I've been able to establish relationships with people and grow with them as their families grow and our family grows here. It's kind of neat.
Our culture is everything. We come in and we laugh every single day, but at the same time, we are working for a company that reaches across the entire globe while doing all of those small business type of things. I've gotten an opportunity to grow here while also working with some of the best people, the most fun people I've ever met. So getting to do that while working in a family atmosphere is just a dream come true.
When you have happy employees and people that are excited to come to work and you feel like you're working with your friends and your family, it really allows you to open up to your customers more.
The most memorable experience I've had so far at Felins is the first time I was able to walk into my leader's office and just be my most genuine self. I think we're a really fun place to work. We're very accurate, we're concise, we care, and we're very dependable.
Thank you for joining us to learn more about Felins and who we are.